this video, I'm going to be showing you where to find malachite in LEGO Fortnite. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. Now, as you can see, I am in the snowy biome, also known as the Frostlands, and as you can see, there are these ice shelves that are all over the map, and I am on one of them. This is the only place where I have personally been able to find malachite, so as you can see, it's just kind of scattered. And I believe you are going to need a certain pickaxe to actually harvest this. I'm using a epic one, and as you can see, I just got some malachite. And it's usually on these ice blocks, as I said before. They are just going to be scattered around, and that's really all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.